AILUKI portable space heater, 950 watt. There are many uses to this electric heater. This little unit has some neat features. It even has a safety feature of auto shut-off if tipped over. We value your safety. This heater is CE certified. Your box will include the portable space heater as well as a detailed set of instructions. All of the important do's and don'ts are all listed here in the manual. Take a look at that structure. Learn how to clean the unit and what to do if it has issues. Under the base of the unit is all the identifying information. We care about your safety. These grips prevent the unit from sliding. However, upon tipping, the button releases and the whole unit shuts off. Regular upkeep is required. Keeping the dust and dirt out of the interior is very easy. Remove the back plate. Take out the dust screen, rinse it off with some water, dry it off completely, and replace. Be sure the back plate is on securely. Regular exterior maintenance can be done with a soft cloth and neutral detergent. The rated voltage is 120 volts. This electric heater has 3 modes. 950 watts of high heat is the first setting. 650 watts is the low heat setting. Listen to how quiet this heater is. It has a level of just 45 decibels. The last mode is the cool fan at 5 watts. This is so quiet you won't even know it's there. If you want your fan to oscillate or swing, press the swing button for a total of 90 degrees rotation. Want to power down? Touch the off button and allow for the 20-second cooldown period. At only 8 inches tall, this portable heater is great for any personal space. Nice and warm and perfect for the winter season. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the AILUKI portable space heater, 950 watt.